welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you my beauty secrets or yung skincare favorites ko, why I have this blemish-free face for almost 5 months, 6 months, hindi ko alam. But when I start using these products, nag-stop na ang pagkakaroon ko ng blemish sa aking face. I don't know if dahil ba nasa age na ako na nag-stop na yung mga ganung bagay or nagsastop ba talaga siya. I have no idea clearly, but ever since talaga na ginamit ko itong mga products na to, kailangan naramdaman ko. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. But if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do click the subscribe button down below and click the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. At the same time, please do click the like button if you like more of these videos. Thank you for watching! Super hyper ko today. Okay, game. Nagutom na ako. Let's start. Okay, sa morning, after taking a bath, I only put 2 products on my face, as in 2. Minsan lang ako magkaroon ng 3 products sa face. Meanwhile, at night, may ginagamit ako. Iisa lang siya. Actually, isa lang siya or twice or thrice minsan. So, ano bang sinasabi ko? So, let's begin whenever, after I take a bath in the morning. So, after kong maligo, ang secret ko doon is nilalagay ko na ang aking moisturizer sa CR. So, after washing and everything, after brushing my teeth, i-clean ko lang yung aking face, tatanggalin ko yung excess water sa aking face and my hands, and immediately I put on my moisturizer. So, no moisturizer yung ginagamit ko. Lagi nyo ito nakikita sa videos ko. Ang moisturizer po ay ang Bello Intensive Whitening Face and Neck Cream. Ito siya, guys. Ito talaga yung pinaka nagpaganda ng skin ko. After ko siyang ginamit, my God, wala na akong masabi. Pero, ayun, ito lang yung nilalagay ko. Ang trick dyan is, yun nga, after taking a bath, feel ko kasi, yung pores natin was open after taking a bath. So, might as well use that time to put on the moisturizer para mag-lock in yung moisture sa ating face. Hindi ako lumalabas ng bathroom nang hindi ako naglalagay ng moisturizer. I think 3 minutes lang, kailangan nalagay mo na yung moisturizer after mong maligo. So, take note of that, you guys. So, ito lang ang nilalagay ko. Generous amount all over my face and neck at the same time. Yun. After that, before I put on my makeup, before proceeding with my primer, maglalagay muna ako ng this is the Bello Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA++++. Apat na plus. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. Yan ang itsura niya, guys. Ito yung isa sa mga ni-rave na products ng mga YouTubers at vloggers at kung ano-ano pa na ni-review talaga nila at isa na ako doon. Matagal na ako naka-receive nito from Sample Room PH. Thank you, guys. Ayun, matagal na ako naka-receive ng product na to, and I must say, talagang if you're not really into sunscreens like me, kasi feel ko it's too oily for my skin, ito yung naging substitute ko. It is a sunscreen, pero tinted lang siya. What we mean by tinted, may konting coverage siya. At the same time, alam mo yun, if you don't want to wear any makeup buong day, ito na lang gagamitin mo. May konting coverage na siya. Tint ka lang sa cheeks and lips, then you're good to go. So, ito talaga yung naging sunblock ko ever since na-receive ko to. Ang laking tulong nito. Alam niyo yung sobrang paulit-ulit ng sinasabi ng mga makeup gurus natin and mga YouTubers natin na you never miss out your sunscreen, especially in the morning or especially before going out of your house or whatever that is. Wag na wag kayong magsiskip ng sunscreen kasi sobrang importante ng step na ito. Then after that, voila, primer, makeup, I'm done. Good to go na ako. So at night, after going home from work or kung saan man ako nanggaling, what I immediately do, kasi syempre, buong day akong naka-makeup, gusto nang magpahinga ng aking skin. So, what I use para matanggal ang makeup na to ay ang dalawang products na ito. It's the same brand. This one is from Simple Sensitive Skin Experts. Dalawa yan. Ito ang eye makeup remover nila. Though hindi ako masyado nag-eyeshadow or hindi ako nag-eyeliner na waterproof, but this helps me sa mascara na waterproof. Hindi kasi siya easily natatanggal ni micellar or micellar water kapag waterproof siya. So might as well use an oil like this one. Oil and water base siya, and it's very gentle on the skin for both, you guys. Ang dami ko na na-try na micellar or micellar water, pero ito talaga yung pinaka-nahiyang ako sa dalawang to. So, I use this para sa eyes or pag may ginagamit akong matte na mahirap matanggal, ito yung ginagamit ko. Marami ako nakikita, especially kay Maybelline Superstay yung lipstick, na sobrang grave daw yon for them kasi sobrang hirap tanggalin. Hindi siya matatanggal kung hindi mo gagamitin yung remover ni Maybelline. But for me, that's not the case. I often use that lipstick, pero ito, sobrang daling matanggal pag gamit-gamit ko to. I mean guys, you just need to use the proper and the right products para dun sa mga dilemmas nyo sa face, and yun, yung mahihiyang kayo, yung alam nyong gugustuhin ng inyong skin. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. But the rest of my face, foundation, blush on, lahat ng keme hanggang neck, ito po ang ginagamit ko. This is the cleansing water ni Simple Sensitive Skin Experts. So, itong dalawa ang babies. Go-to babies ko to. As in. After cleaning my face, anong ginagamit ko pang clean? Usually, sabon lang. I mean, be that yung, ano yun? Yung letter C, Celitec ba yun? Hindi siya Celitec. Yung gentle sa skin na for babies. Anong brand yun? May kulay, nakalimutan ko na. But nevertheless, kung hindi man yun, yung ginagamit ko, letter C yun eh. Diba? Letter C yun. Balikan ko nga kayo. Wait, huwag na. Sige, katamad na. Pero, nakalimutan ko talaga siya. Comment down below kung alam niyo yung product na yun. Good for babies siya. Sobrang gentle niya sa face and sobrang lambot ng face mo pag ginamit mo yun. Meron kaming big bottle na ganun. Yun ang ginagamit ko minsan. Minsan regular na sabon lang. As in sabon. Like Dove, Safeguard, no, hindi. Pero usually mga Dove, yung mga moisturizing na sabon, yun yung ginagamit ko. At minsan nagsascrub ako, most of the time hindi, kasi tamad na ako. And since na ganito naman ako, okay na ako. But after yon, after ko magsabon ng face, proceed na ako sa next step. Next step is using this baby sa CR pa din, guys, ha? Sa CR pa din. Ginagamit ko to. This is the Bello Intensive Whitening Kojic Acid Jamsanic Acid Micro Peeling Toner. So, nagtutoner ako using yung cotton pads. After using this one, proceed na ako agad sa aking moisturizer once again. And I leave it on my face for the rest of the night. Sorry, maingay yung aso namin. Pero ito, iniiwan ko na siya sa face ko for the rest of the night. Pag gumagamit ka ng moisturizer, medyo oily siya sa face, pero do not be scared. Kahit oily ang face mo, may purpose kung bakit medyo oily siya sa face nyo. So, guys, do not skip, sorry, ang ingay talaga nila, do not skip your moisturizer, okay? And, additional information lang, I use my favorite face mask whenever I have time. Ito yung ginagamit ko. This is the Collagen by Watsons na face mask. They have two actually. Yung isa, nourishing and firming. Yung isa, I forgot. Nagamit ko na kasi. Pero dalawang klase siya. I use both types sa aking face and I really love the smell. Laking tulong niya sa aking face. Sobrang refreshing niya. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like more, please do click the like button down below. Yes, please. If you're new to my channel, again and again, please do click the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah!